Well, hello everybody. In this video, we're going to look at an overview of Module 8. So, Module 8 helps to prepare you for the reading assignment by talking about classes, fields, constructors, attributes, and properties, also methods and inheritance, and how they correspond to the book is in Chapter 8. You learn about software objects and, of course, the classes that are used to make them. A couple things to note. You will see he is talking about how object-oriented programming is a different way of thinking about programming. I don't know if I really agree with that. That's been said for 30 years. And yeah, 30 years ago it was a different way of thinking about it. But nowadays, it's pretty much the most common way for people to make programs. So it's the norm. Don't let that different way of thinking about it throw you off. It does for a lot of people because they keep looking for something that's really different and trying to wrap their mind around it. When really it's just really quite easy. It's classes are a way of grouping functions and data together. And then what you do is you can make a copy of the code in a class to form an object, and then you use the object, and each object is an individualized copy. Now, there is certainly a little bit more to it than that behind the scenes mechanically, but you don't really care too much. You just want it to work. And for any additional stuff, we can always go to a higher level class to get into it. For now, just kick back in Chapter 8, try to absorb what's going on. Just remember it's just another way of organizing your code, much like we saw with the functions chapter. And take it from the context as this is just another way of organizing and creating building blocks that are reusable. Anyway, that's kind of what we're going to do in Chapter 8, so let's get to it.